Okay, everyone, we are going to do some roses, and I have my craft glue gun. I have a big bag of sticks, but I always get a couple out just to start with. I have my scissors. I have my skewers, which I use for the stem. I already have cut out a bunch of leaf. This is what I call the leaf that I wrap around the bottom. And what I do is I get a piece of scrap like this, and this is very easy material. And then I cut a square, like this. Doesn't matter what it looks like. This is not about perfection. It is about uniqueness. Every one of them is different. Now you can go in and out when you're cutting this part, but you want to cut it on an angle. Okay. I folded it in half, and half again. And then you cut on this angle. You have a fold here and two folds here. You really want a nice angle on that. Okay, and it doesn't have to be perfect. You also want to cut a little bit right at the tip. Oops. And that is so your stick can get through. Okay. Now, there are different sizes here. I have the shorter ones in red, a little longer in the peach here, not by much. And then I have these longer pink and yellow ribbons, which will be beautiful as well. These are 17.5. The yellow is 20. And the little ones are 11 and 9.5. Okay, so wrap this around my neck like my grandmother always did. We're going to start. I've got the glue gun already heating up here for us. And she's ready to go.